Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you how basically we can create a PDF document inside browser using vanilla JavaScript, and for this purpose we will basically use a library called as jsPDF. JSPDF, guys, it's a client side PDF generation library, and whatever you write here inside here this text area, let's suppose if I write something here, this is a sample PDF document, and there is a button out there. If you see download PDF, if I hit this button right here, a PDF file will be generated, guys. You will see output.pdf. If I now open that file, you will basically see, guys, the text has been converted to PDF document. It has been inserted. So we are basically building this application, guys, how we can basically get the text from the text area and insert that into the PDF document. So we will be looking at how to do this inside browser, and for this, guys, we are using a library. It's a client side library, open source, JSPDF. It had its own GitHub repository, guys. You can see that it's a client side JavaScript PDF generation library, and we will basically use the CDN of it. You can directly include the CDN right here. It is available in their official, and now we will basically just include the CDN, guys, in the script tag here as we are included, and after that we will now code it from scratch. So now let's begin the coding part. So here, guys, first of all we will basically have a text area. We will give it an ID of text here, and we will give it a rows of 10 and columns of also 10, and you can see we have given a ID to it so that we can target in JavaScript. We have given two attributes, rows and columns, 10 10. And if you now refresh your application, there will be a simple text area. We can even resize it, and I think we just need to increase it rows by 20, or I think we just need to increase the this part, which is 30, and columns, let me say 5. So this is the text area, guys. You will see that, and then we will basically have a button which will say generate PDF, and we will basically again give it an ID to it of button. And if you just refresh now, we will basically have a button, guys. We can make this button appear on the next line, so we can give it a break tag. So you can see we have given a break tag here. So now this will appear on the next line. So this is your interface. It's very simple. And now we will basically write our JavaScript code, guys. So right here we will make just close the body, and let me format the document. And now we will open the script tag. And here, first of all, guys, we will basically say document or get element by ID. And here we will basically say text dot value. So this will basically get the actual value, guys, which the user will write inside this text area. We are actually getting the value from the text area by using document or get element by ID. So whatever ID that you put right here, it will be coming right here. So this is a thing. If I basically now inspect element, go to the console and just refresh here. Let me see what is the problem. Okay, sorry, we haven't basically binded a event listener, guys. That's a problem. So we just need to say document got get element by ID button. So whatever ID that we have given to the button right here, we are targeting the button here, and we need to add event listener. So when we click the button, guys, we are basically binding a function which will generate PDF. So now we need to declare this function, which is function generate PDF. So inside this function, guys, we will actually move these two lines of code so that whenever you hit the button, you will actually see the text here. Now you can see we have binded a function which will run automatically whenever we click the button. And now if I open the console, you will actually see the text. You will see that whatever text that we write, it is printed in the console. So now what we need to do, guys, we just need to simply insert this text in the PDF document. Now we will basically initialize our JSPDF library. Now to initialize it, very easy. Just declare a new object of this library, new JSPDF. We are calling the constructor of this library, guys, new JSPDF here, and then we will say that dot text. So this is the actual method, guys. It actually takes the actual text, and this is the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So let me put here 10 comma 10, and last but not least, guys, we need to save the PDF document. For saving it, we have a function called as save, and here it basically gives the output file name. So we are giving the output file name output.pdf. This is actual text, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. And if you now refresh your application, guys, and if I write something, this is the sample PDF document, click on this button. Now your PDF file will be downloaded, guys, and you will see, guys, now we are making a very simple PDF document in the browser using this library. You can change these coordinates. Let's suppose I change this coordinate to 100. This will be now the x position will be changed. So now it will be moving in the x direction. So the y direction will be constant, and if I change the y direction also to 500, so it will now basically in the downward direction, the text, so it will not be visible. So what I need to do is that I need to say 250. So now you can see that, guys, you can see the text right here. You can control the location of the text, guys, using these two coordinates that I shown you, x coordinate and y coordinate. You can add multiple lines of text, guys. Again, you can write another thing right here, hello again, and this will come at a static position. So what you will see, basically you can add dynamic text, static text. That text will be there static because we provided static text hello again, and this text is appearing right here in the 10 comma 10. So you can basically create a PDF document, add dynamic text in PDF, guys, using JSPDF library. This is a very basic tutorial on how to basically add the text in the PDF document, and we can even add multiple pages as well. Let's suppose I need to add another page. So there is a method inside add page. So this will add a new blank page, guys. This is the actual method which will actually add a new page in the PDF document. So if you just now refresh, so now the PDF document will contain two pages. This is the first page, this is the blank page, which is the second page. So you can even create multiple pages inside JSPDF. And now in the second page, let's suppose I need to add something. I can say this is second page. I can add another page, add page, and I can say this is third page. So now you can see that, guys, basically if I write this is second page, this is third page, and we forgot to add the x coordinate and the y coordinate, that's why. So the library is pretty simple, guys. You can go to the documentation. I will upload more videos about this library, how to add images, all that stuff, page numbers to the footer and header. So all these will be coming up. You can subscribe to this channel, guys. It contains all coding videos. So please hit that like button, comment on this video, and share this channel with your friends. And I will be seeing you in the next one.